loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing some mini twists. Super excited for this. This is my first time doing mini twists, and if I can say myself, it came out amazing. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, continue watching.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Yeah, baby, don't play with it. Hey, just stay with it. Just live with it.
So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little bit more easier. I'm going in and showing you all the products. Have some water bottles, conditioner in it, twist gel, honey, and then twist deep conditioner. It's a deep conditioner. I think it's the curl product. Then I'm just wetting my hair with the spray bottle with water and conditioner in it. It does have a little bit of oil in it as well. This is oil that I made myself, even though it's in the Mayel container. Using that to moisturize my scalp on my damp hair after wetting it, then massaging that oil in. Make sure you're not only focusing on your roots, but also focusing on your ends because they're the oldest part of your hair. Now, I like to go with this head massager. I got it from Shein for like $2. It works wonders and it feels amazing. And you know, we always gotta do a length check. Always gotta do a length check. Always. I decided to record a tutorial for this because when I was looking for videos on this hairstyle, I didn't find any with my hair texture or my hair length, so I decided to record videos like this. I feel like for 4C, 4B girls, it's always hard finding people with our hair type or length that does natural hairstyles, and it's often draining. I don't know, it was just so annoying that I didn't see anyone with my hair type, and if they did have type 4 hair, their hair was extremely long. So I just wanted to represent for the girls that got hair like me. And also for that reason, I'm deciding to create more natural hair content because a lot of my natural hair content people love and resonate with, but I just never do it. So I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. But back to the hair. So what I would do is go in with a little bit of water just to wet the hair a little bit because it was drying as I was doing the other twist. The reason I wasn't really talking about the twist previously is because, like I said, this is my first time doing this hair, so I want to get the hang of it before I did a tutorial on it. So I wet the hair. I went in with a little bit of gel and a little bit of honey. I used the honey mainly on my ends to keep them moisturized, and then I started twisting the hair. Now I'm about to show you guys how I twist the hair. Whichever strand lands in the right hand is the one that goes over. So every time it lands in the right hand, you put it over. Right hand, over. Right hand, over. Whichever one is in my right hand goes over. And no, on the screen it looks like it's my left hand, but it was my right hand. Right over, right over, right over. And every time you put it to the right, it will slide the next strand on the end, and that's the one you want to put over. This was really hard to do at first and I couldn't get the hang of it, but once I got the hang of it, I was doing these back to back to back to back, and it was like nothing. But I think just thinking right hand over is like the easiest way to get this strand to look amazing. I also tried to do a 2-strand twist to see the difference of the two, and I definitely like the 3-strand twist a lot better. It looks tighter, it looks more long lasting, and I wanted to do these because I was watching TikTok was telling me how this is perfect for hair growth, and I normally do braids, but I think twists are cuter. It kind of gives you the look of wearing dreads even though you're not really wearing dreads. I'm finishing up this strand and making sure everything is nice and tucked in, and when I get to the end, I'm going to put a little product on my hand and just spiral or curl the end so that it's nice and tucked. Protect them ends, girl. Protect them ends at all costs. And then I move on to the next part of my hair and just repeat the process. Then another reason I really want to do these twists is because I was wearing a lot of wigs and it was breaking up my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see my skin, but literally my forehead was breaking up because of the wigs. My sideburns are breaking out. And I love it. So I'm showing you guys the back of my hair. I was not parting these neat. I was just doing some free parts. And I was really happy that it was coming out nice. So I had my happy dance. I'm done the back of my head and I'm moving to the front. Of course, I have to wet it. Now I'm just sectioning out my hair and breaking it up into 2 parts. As you can see, my hair is a little bit tangled. Then I went with the Boss Bounce Twist product for curls, and I just applied that on the hair. I absolutely love these 2 products, the Twist Gel and the Twist Boss Bounce. I got them on sale for like $2.99, and I absolutely love it. It just gives my hair so much slip. It brings back my curls. I definitely recommend these for people with low porosity because I feel like these products penetrate my hair really, really well. Unlike other products, I feel like just sit on the top of my hair and doesn't really go into it. I'm definitely going to be restocking of both these products when they're finished, and I cannot wait to try more of their products in their line. Now I'm parting the front. I honestly don't know why I started doing parts in the front. I should continue doing free parts. It just looked a lot better, and this ended up making some big and some small. I want to do this next time, and next time I'll also make the parts a lot smaller so my hair can look fuller. That's me using the twist gel to apply it to the hair, and as you can see, it just makes my hair so sleek and soft, and it has so much slip in it. And now I'm taking my 3 strands for the 3-strand twist, and I'm going to show you guys up and close how I do my 3-strand twist. As you can see, I'm taking the right one and I'm putting it over the 2 ones in the middle, and then it's right over, right over, right over, right over, and the process continues. I even try to come a little closer so you guys can see, because I know someone's probably watching this tutorial trying to do their hair, and I just want to make sure I was giving you guys good enough content so you guys can see the process, because sometimes I move fast and I don't really be paying attention to what I'm doing, but that process just continues for the rest of your hair, and I promise you after about 5-6 practice twists, it's going to be easy. I want to show you guys the shrinkage versus the twist I just did, and then I'm going back to finish my hair. I'm oiling my scalp with my oil, and then I'm showing you guys the process again, getting my 3 strands together. What I will say is make sure that the strands are as even as possible, the same amount as possible, because if one is smaller, then you'll have to borrow. When you borrow from other strands, it can make it really fizzy, and also when you're taking it out, it can make it the takedown complicated. So try not to borrow. I did borrow, but try not to do it. Don't do it, girl. I promise you, it's going to be fizzy and a mess. And when you're oiling your scalp, don't forget about your edges. I always put a couple drops of oil on my edges and massage it in. And then I'm going in with my Boss Bounce product again and just applying that product on my hair using, I don't know what it's called, the prayer hands. Yeah, the prayer hands method. And then again, I'm going in with the gel and I'm just applying a little bit on my hair. I literally use a drop of the gel for each section. I go in and I just twist it. And when I get to the end, I apply the honey, making sure that it's nice and sealed and that my ends are protected. Now I'm making sure that my part is straight. I wanted the middle part. I thought the middle part would look real cute. I should have done middle and the side part, but I was not paying attention. I was just doing anything at this point. Here's my middle part. I'm using my rat tail comb to give me the perfect part, and then I'm sectioning it off. Making sure I oil my scalp and massage it in. Key. Oil and massage. Oil and massage. Do you see that right there? If I would have just ripped it out, I would have lost that bottom piece of hair. So make sure you're taking your time and detangling as you go. Or you could detangle before. I believe that's a lot easier, but I don't be thinking about that. I just wanted my hair done. That's it. That's all. And this is when I started doing the free parts. As you can see, I didn't part anymore. I just was taking out the hair. And then I want to see how it would look if it was up. I was starting to see what kind of styles I can do with this hairstyle, etc., etc. And do you see my curls? They just look so good and defined. Then I'm just repeating this process. I was going to record my entire head, but I feel like that's doing too much since it's just the same thing over and over again. So just watch me finish this off for the next 10 seconds. These twists came out amazing. I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna rock these out for the next couple of weeks. I'm trying to wear my natural hair more. Like I said, I'm tired of them wigs breaking me out. So that's what we're gonna do. And I will be recording a part 2 of this video where I will be taking down the twist and showing you guys how I rock it as like a twist out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.